Hi. Some of you have been watching as we've sketched through a few of the things that go into creating a scene. I know that some of you had questions, and I hope I've been able to take the opportunity to answer those and to inspire you with possibly drawing something that you see and capturing it on paper. It's just a great opportunity to think about what goes into creating a very dynamic scene, even though it may not necessarily be taken that far. Let's just take a look at this one that we've been working on. This is very, very simple sketch, but it still incorporates many of the principles and concepts and things that help it become successful, both in depth and perspective and lights and darks, the contrast and things. And again, this is very preliminary, but if some of you enjoyed this, you might also enjoy the new series that we've just completed, and that will help you have an opportunity to work through more in depth on a scene. This just breaks it down and gives, if I can get this thing situated here, this just breaks it down into all of the things that we just talked about in this little sketch we've been doing, and how to finish it off, how to bring the different elements that you may see, maybe in different reference material or different aspects of a scene, but you didn't necessarily want them all in the same place. You wanted to be able to express some things differently. Well, this shows you how to be able to do that. And we were able to bring the clouds in that weren't necessarily with the subject we saw with the house, and we saw the prairie, and how can we get all these things in the different levels and distances and yet come together in a wonderful expression. And it's very simple. The tools aren't really involved. With my 5 pencil method, we have 5 pencils and an eraser or two. There's a couple options. Nice to have both of them. A straight edge, the paper, and boy, you're off to the races. And you have the opportunity to, again, learn how to express something like this, how to keep it from being just in a confusing bunch of elements that it's hard to really pick out any particular aspect of it without it just becoming confusing. So we took a look at light direction and, again, value, clean edges, where to place things, and not to add confusion here and there. But you might be really interested in taking, again, something quite a bit farther. If you are, you can go down to the bottom of the video you're watching and click on the link for more information on how to purchase it. And it'll also give you more information just about the project. We called it Days Gone By. And if you want to be able to draw those stunning landscapes, by all means, take advantage of this step-by-step series, this video series, and learn how to, stay in control, to be able to have the confidence building that you can go out and, again, with confidence, have the opportunity to have a more successful drawing and something that you're really going to enjoy, and it's going to not only captivate you as you draw it, but to bring others that are watching or seeing your drawing as a result just be inspired with maybe wanting to learn how to draw themselves. So always encourage you to share these things with your friends. It always helps us, and I want to bring more enjoyment into your drawing, and hope you will have that opportunity. So we'll see you next time. Thanks.
Hey there, everybody. Jeremy with the 5 Pencil Method team. One last time. I just wanted to hop in and add a couple notes to what Daryl was saying. Yes, there is a new product available, and it's all about drawing realistic, stunning landscapes. And we've entitled this project Days Gone By. And it's all about drawing stunning landscapes, and it's step by step. So, one thing Daryl didn't mention is that right now, during our special opening offer, you can get this new series for 50% off. That's half price, and in addition to that, we are throwing in a set of free drawing pencils just to help you get started a little bit faster or replenish your stock, whatever it may be. So like he said, there is going to be a link just below the video. It's already there, actually. Just click on that link, and that'll take you to a page where you can learn more about the product. You can see some of the student artworks. You can also read descriptions of each class and see some actual images from the series. And ultimately, if you decide you're interested, you can buy it there. And again, 50% off plus a free set of pencils. So we hope you'll take advantage of this offer. Again, it's only for a short time, so you won't want to wait around too long. And thank you. That's all I got to say. Thank you very much for watching this series. We hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. And I hope it inspired you to go out there and draw the beauties of nature that you see all around you. So take care.